In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up your PayPal account and link a payment method. Whether you're a seasoned online shopper or just getting started, having a PayPal account can make your online transactions secure and incredibly convenient. So, let's get started. The first step in setting up your PayPal account is deciding on the type of account that suits your needs. If you're primarily planning to shop online for personal use, you'll want to choose a personal account. This is the most straightforward option, and it caters to individual needs without the additional features that business accounts require. Once you've selected personal, you'll need to fill in some basic information like your name, email address, and preferred password. This will create the framework for your PayPal account. Now that your account is set up, it's time to link a payment method. Linking at least one form of payment is essential, as it serves as your funding source when you make transactions. You can link a bank account, a debit, or a credit card. It's a simple process. All you need to do is enter the necessary details, like your card number or bank account information. Having multiple payment methods linked to your PayPal can be beneficial, as it gives you flexibility in how you pay for your purchases. After linking your payment method, don't forget to verify your email. This step is crucial for account security and also ensures that you receive all transactional communications from PayPal. You may also want to verify your phone number as an additional measure for safeguarding your account. Doing so will add an extra layer of security, which is always a wise choice when dealing with online payments. With your account ready to go and a payment method linked, you're set to shop online. As you browse through your favorite online stores, be on the lookout for the Pay with PayPal or Checkout with PayPal option at the checkout stage. This indicates that the merchant accepts PayPal, and these options are quite common across a wide variety of online retailers. If you're curious about which stores accept PayPal, you can easily find lists online that detail participating merchants. When you're ready to make a purchase, select PayPal as your payment method at checkout. You'll be redirected to a login page for your PayPal account. Here, you can choose which of your linked funding sources you wish to use for this purchase, especially if you've linked several. Simply select your preferred payment source, confirm the payment, and complete your purchase. Once the transaction is successful, PayPal will typically send you a confirmation email providing an additional layer of assurance that your payment has been processed. And there you have it. Your PayPal account is ready and linked to free you from the mundane task of entering your payment details manually each time you purchase online. Happy shopping!